Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce for momos. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 dried red chilies like Kashmiri or Bayeji for that vibrant color and moderate heat. Also, have 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger ready. Don't forget 2 ripe tomatoes, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and salt to season your delicious sauce perfectly. Now let's prepare the base. Start by soaking your dried red chilies in hot water for about 20 to 30 minutes. This makes them soft and easier to blend. While they soak, boil your 2 ripe tomatoes for approximately 5 minutes, then peel off their skins and roughly chop them. Finally, chop the softened chilies, garlic, and ginger into smaller pieces, preparing them for the next step. Next, it's time to blend everything together. Combine the chopped chilies, garlic, ginger, and tomatoes in a blender with the 1/4 cup of vinegar. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Then, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your blended sauce and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish, taste your hot sauce and adjust the salt to your liking. This homemade momo hot sauce is best served fresh, but you can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. It's perfect for dipping momos or adding a spicy kick to other dishes. Also, for some great deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.